Hello friends, this is Dr. Srinivas Jekka. I am a consultant in pediatrics, pulmonology and allergy at Ankura Hospitals, Hyderabad. Let's now discuss about quarantine and isolation. What is quarantine? Quarantine is separation of a person who has been exposed to a COVID positive patient so that he doesn't spread the infection to other people. The period of quarantine is usually 14 days, which is the maximum incubation period for COVID infection. And during this quarantine period, the person who is exposed to the virus is observed for any signs and symptoms of the disease developing. On the other hand, isolation is separation of an individual who is COVID positive or has any symptoms of COVID disease. So how long should isolation be carried out? The Indian Council of Medical Research recommends that people who are asymptomatic but COVID positive, in other words, they are COVID positive by testing but they do not have any symptoms. These people should be isolated for 10 days from the time of testing. In case of people who have symptoms and are COVID positive, they should be isolated for at least 10 days. Out of which the last 3 days before the 10 days should be symptom free. So they should not have any fever or major symptoms. So I repeat, the isolation period in people with symptoms is 10 days, out of which the last 3 days should be symptom free. However, at the end of 10 days, if the patient has fever or any other symptoms, the isolation should continue and they should be treated as a complicated COVID infection under the guidance of a doctor. Then comes people who have symptoms suggestive of COVID, but the COVID testing is negative. As discussed earlier, RT-PCR or any other COVID test is not 100% foolproof. Even if you have COVID, these tests can be negative. So I request people that if you have symptoms suggestive of COVID, please isolate yourself for at least 10 days so that the risk of transmission to others is very less. Then comes the question, do we need to repeat a COVID test before stopping isolation, or should we have a negative COVID test before we end the isolation? And the answer is no. The Indian Council of Medical Research as well as World Health Organization and CDC, they say that there is no repeat test necessary to stop isolation. The reason being, we know that RT-PCR in a COVID positive person can be positive even up to 3 months after the illness. So doing a repeat test will cause only unnecessary anxiety, and it will also put a lot of extra burden on our labs which are already being stretched with the disease load. So the bottom line is isolation for at least 10 days and there is no repeat testing necessary before we stop isolation.